Hi, I'm Suzanne. I'm a senior interior designer and product development specialist here at Showhome. This morning we are in the beautiful community of Sirocco and we're at our new Cavell Showhome. One of the great features of this Cavell floor plan is we actually have 6 full bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms in this home. So with the basement suite and then the main floor bedroom, 3 bedrooms upstairs, 4 bathrooms, you could rent it out, you could have a huge family here, lots of options. My favorite area of this show home is actually just this main floor space. I love how inviting the kitchen and dining area are. I love how the kitchen turned out. The backsplash is super pretty. It goes right up full height around the window. And it just looks super inviting to me and cozy. It's somewhere I would want to live. I love that in this model, even though there is a full bedroom on the main floor, it still feels super bright and airy. There's still really good square footage here, so you have a nice open living, dining area, and then the kitchen area is all connected. I love that the dining area is just adjacent to the kitchen here, so it's really great for entertaining. I fit a huge table in here. It seats at least 6 people, so you can definitely have a good group of people over and not feel cramped at all, even though this is a duplex. We've added a full legal suite to the basement here of this Cavell Showhome. It's got great access with a side door entrance, so if you wanted to rent it out or have a family member live down there, it's super easy for them to get in from the side without having to use the front entry. There's 2 full bedrooms down there and they're a great size, and then there's an awesome little living area with an L-shaped kitchen. And I've staged that kitchen with a little island so it shows that you could have a place to sit and eat and then a separate sitting area as well. The overall feel of the home I wanted it to have was light and bright and airy, but I did want to have these little punches of black. So I've added a cool black countertop, some black lighting fixtures, black door hardware, little things like that just to give it a little bit of a punch. And everything else is pretty light and organic. The feeling of the tiles, everything's a little bit natural, so they're a rougher texture, lots of matte finishes versus a super high gloss. I love the accent tile in the primary bedroom ensuite. It's this like stone texture, goes full height on the backsplash of the vanity there. I think just adds a little unique touch to the ensuite. Sirocco is a great community, super close to the golf course here and lots of direct access to places to go walking, running, nature. So it's a great place to live. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're at 365 Creekside Drive in our new Cavell Showhome down in the community of Sirocco.